Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We got a Fridge 36 rolling out shop today, and this one right here is loaded up. Now, this is going on man, Chris in South Carolina, and he set this thing up real nice. Let's check it out. Now, first off, you'll notice we got a 6-gallon Cajun fryer up front, propane powered fryer, double burner or double basket set up here. We love these fryers, guys. I mean, nothing's better than smoking a chicken wing, throwing it in here, crisping it up, fries, hush puppies. It just goes good with barbecue. So add that fryer on your build. I come around here to the fridge. Like I said, this is our Fridge 36. And we got 3 sliding trays in here. A lot of cook room. This is a reverse flow unit. So you got removable plates down here, directs the heat all the way across and then back out of the stack. Now he did add a stainless steel front shelf. And as you can see, it is on our off-road package. We got the upgraded wheels and tires on there as well. Come around here to the firebox, and we've got our insulated firebox here. Still got your fire management cradle in there as well. 30-inch hot box. Got 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches of cook space. Guys, that's just because we love America. And what the best thing about this hot box is it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. So you can be running at 2 different temperatures at the same time. You can get direct fire in here. We got guys doing wood-fired pizzas in here. You can grill in here. So real versatile option. We love that hot box. Come around to the back here, we ain't done yet. He has added a single burner back here, single propane burner. And we got a removable griddle top. So 1/4-inch steel griddle top, great for searing off steaks. Lift this up off. You want to set your pot or pan up there, you can. Set that back on and you're good to go. But guys, that's about it on Chris's Fridge 36 here. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.